Hello everyone. This is a spray bottle I have purchased from Misho of rupees 97 which contains 5 bottles. This bottle can be useful for many purposes like skincare and hair care. If I talk about its quality, it is also very good. Its plastic quality is strong and its spraying quality is good. Its spraying material spreads each drop of water nicely without any obstruction. Hence, I liked this product personally. This was my personal review.